Today's Mini Marketing Masterclass is going to look at the 5 most popular and proven digital marketing techniques. So which ones are right for your business? Digital marketing is now essential for all businesses. You probably know this, but sometimes it can be overwhelming. What exactly is digital marketing? Aren't you doing it already? How much time should you be dedicating to it? Don't you need to be tech savvy to do it? And how do you know if it's working? Digital marketing uses online channels such as social media or email to market your products and services to current and prospective customers. There are numerous benefits to digital marketing. It gives you the ability to reach a global audience. It's super targeted, allowing you to reach the prospects most likely to buy your products. It's cost effective, and it can be used at every stage of your buyer's journey. Every business is different, so what works for some might not work for you. Some tactics could be incompatible with your overall goals, your target audience, or your brand vision. You need to find what works for you. And how do you do that? First, start by learning about the 5 most proven and practical digital marketing tactics: SEO, search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and conversational marketing. Then start to figure out which ones are right for your business. So let's start with SEO, or search engine optimization, as the first tactic. SEO is a set of practices and tactics that, if implemented correctly, SEO makes your website more attractive and visible to search engines. Your ideal customer will find what they're looking for, information that solves their problems, and you'll have more high-quality visitors going to your site. There are 2 types of SEO, organic and paid. Organic SEO refers to improving your rank in search engine results pages by using specific techniques like keyword research and targeting. On-page optimization, title, tags, meta descriptions, body content, URL and images, and internal linking. You need to perform a site audit, identifying common technical SEO issues, and make recommended changes. For example, page speed, mobile friendliness, and redirects. Backlinking, inbound links from other websites, is also something you need to check. Paid search refers to paying to get a dominant spot in search engine results. You create an ad on the search engine's platform using keywords your customers are likely to search for. Some examples of paid ads include pay-per-click, PPC ads, Google Shopping ads, and Google Local Service ads. I talk about Google a lot because it's so dominant as a search engine. So why waste your time on other platforms? How will you know if SEO is right for your business? You'll probably find that incorporating SEO into your business is inevitable. Even if you choose other tactics to focus on, such as content marketing or email marketing, SEO will make an appearance. The benefits are too significant to overlook. It's cost-effective and boosts traffic. It generates higher quality leads. It builds your domain's authority. And if you use paid SEO, it can deliver immediate results. The question is not if you'll include SEO, but how. That said, there are some negatives associated with SEO, but these can be managed if you are flexible and focus on your strengths. SEO is not a one-and-done project. It requires routine maintenance to be effective. SEO algorithms are constantly changing, and it can be difficult to keep current. Organic SEO search requires patience and time. Paid SEO can be expensive, but think about how SEO will further your goals, connect you with your audience, and then work within your budget and your skill set. Now let's look at tactic 2, which is content marketing. Content marketing is the process of planning, creating, and publishing content around your core topics and keywords. The purpose of content marketing is to attract your audience, draw them into you, and convert them to leads. You will do this with valuable, useful content that solves a problem for them. A common misconception is that you need to be a good and prolific writer to implement content marketing. But don't worry, you can create content without having to rely heavily on writing. Videos are a leading area. People are demonstrating a strong preference for video content when they want to learn how to do something or discover the features of a new product or service. Infographics are another type of content. These handy and helpful images combine graphics and concise written descriptions, and you can use them to break down complex material or concepts. Podcasts have also become very popular. You can deliver on-demand, targeted content to a captive audience of subscribers using a pre-recorded audio program. Blog posts go back to your written content, and they attract leads with highly targeted content featuring keywords people are searching for related to the topic. If you don't like writing or don't have time, create lists or step-by-step guides. Content marketing has many advantages. It's a great way to establish an authentic connection with your audience. It positions you as a reliable source of information, and it attracts your ideal customers. It's also very cost effective. But as with SEO, it does have some disadvantages. Even though content marketing is a critical piece of the digital marketing puzzle, it can be time-consuming to create because it will be used at every stage of your buyer's journey. You need to develop content to attract your audience, motivate them to purchase, and convince them to stick around. And all this content will take a while to produce results. Reflect on the pros and cons, thinking about how your content will further your marketing goals, meet the needs of your target audience, and work within your budget and skill set. Well, let's look at tactic 3, social media marketing. This is where I start in my business, but it's not so straightforward. With social media marketing, you use social media platforms to promote your product, services, or brand. It involves strategy development, post creation, monitoring, engaging in comments, and more. The primary channels, the ones you all know, are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. But also the video channels have become very popular recently, such as TikTok and YouTube. Some common social media techniques include consistently publishing valuable content in the form of posts, stories, or live streams on your audience's preferred social media channels. Not your favorite, but theirs, the ones where they're going to be. Regularly engaging with followers in the comment section, joining groups related to your niche, and interacting with members. You can also use social media advertising, where you pay to promote content to reach a wider audience of relevant groups and motivated leads. It allows you to extend your reach beyond your list of followers. Through social media advertising, you can hyper-target as the platform has valuable data on their audience's age, language, location, behavior, and more. Social media ad formats include image ads, video ads, carousel ads, promoted tweets or posts, and sponsored content. It does have many advantages. It allows you to connect with your audience and engage with your current customers. You can compile valuable customer data and move people further down your sales funnel. Like the other digital marketing tactics we've discussed, social media marketing has pretty much become a requirement for all businesses. It also has the advantage of being immediate, as you can get a very quick result. The question you'll have to ask yourself is, which platforms will you focus on? Also, how much time will you dedicate to your social media marketing efforts? And as always, there are some negatives involved. It can be time-consuming and is constantly evolving, as these platforms are always changing, and it gives you limited control over your content once you've published. So you need to think about pros and cons of how social media will actually help your business, and then the amount of time you have to dedicate to it, or whether you're going to outsource it. It is currently being helped a lot by AI, artificial intelligence, so that's another thing to take into account. The fourth practical and proven tactic is email marketing. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with prospects and customers via email. So straight into their email box. Email marketing is used to welcome people to your community, introduce them to your products and services, educate them, present them with offers, engage with customers before purchasing, engage with customers between purchases, and even more. Many people mistakenly believe that email marketing is a thing of the past. In fact, it is still one of the most effective and popular marketing tactics, especially when combined with content marketing. There are different email marketing techniques, including email newsletters, transactional emails, such as invoices and appointment reminders, or you can have an email series. The email series usually is 5 to 6 emails in response to a request for a digital product. A well-planned email series can be the most powerful tool in your digital marketing strategy. Your email series starts with the delivery of the digital product or welcome, and then is followed by a series of emails that provide valuable information to the recipient. Often included in the messages is a push to purchase a related product or service, with the offer increasing in urgency as the series progresses. Again, email marketing has many benefits. It is more personal than other forms of digital marketing, allowing you to communicate directly with a captive audience. It's a great way to keep in touch with prospects and customers at every stage of the buyer's journey. It's a powerful tool to convert leads into buyers. And the best part, once you create your emails and load them into your email marketing software, it's all automated. Of course, there are negatives associated with email marketing too. You have to contend with spam and undelivered emails, requires high-level content designed to convert, so strong subject lines, calls to action, email copy, freebie content, landing page copy. Think about the pros and cons. It will help you build an email list, which can be difficult. The most important element of your email marketing efforts is building a list of email addresses. But if you provide content that solves the problem that your audience is looking for, you will attract those potential prospects who will later become customers. Think about how email marketing can help you achieve your marketing goals. And as I said, the best thing about it in a digital marketing context is that it's automated. The final tactic we'll discuss is conversational marketing. This involves real-time, one-on-one interactions with customers. It can be considered the newest and the oldest form of marketing. Now, when we talk about conversational marketing, we're generally referring to things like SMS, chatbots, and instant messaging. As it relates to traditional marketing, conversational marketing could be seen as a customer popping into a store to ask a question, or a business cold calling a prospect, or networking. Conversational marketing can help you boost website conversions. It can speed up your buyer's journey, free up your time, and it also caters to a younger audience who are used to instant messaging and chatbots. It does have a lot of benefits. It allows you to cultivate relationships on a more personal level and improve the customer experience. It's particularly effective at removing roadblocks to purchase because you can answer questions instantly. While conversational marketing is a powerful digital tool, it does come with some negatives. It has the potential to create customer frustration if their needs aren't met. Tools like chatbots are powered by AI and remove the human touch that some customers are looking for. Finally, if you have too many ways to communicate with your customers, for example, email, instant messages on various social platforms, SMS, there's a good chance you'll drop the ball. For example, if a quote is sent in by email and then a follow-up inquiry is delivered by SMS, it can be easy to miss a communication. Think about how best conversational marketing would work for you and would meet your target audience's requirements. We've learned about the 5 digital marketing tactics that make up the foundation of every digital marketing strategy. You'll need to dig deeper into each tactic and learning more about the techniques involved. It is a steep learning curve, but it can be very worth it. But before you can successfully implement any tactics, it's essential to first create a digital marketing strategy. In it, you'll set goals based on your ideal customer profile, choose the tactics that will help you achieve those goals, and then measure their success. Until you do that, you'll be floundering around, being lost, and just trying different things all the time. You need to have a cunning plan.